Welcome to an extraordinary visual journey through the modern wonder that is Dubai. In this video, we'll take you on a captivating tour of this magnificent city, showcasing its stunning architecture, luxurious lifestyle, and the vibrant culture that defines Dubai. Architectural marvels. Dubai is known for its iconic skyscrapers, such as the Burj Khalifa and the Burj Al Arab. Join us as we explore these architectural marvels that touch the sky. Luxurious lifestyle. Dubai is synonymous with opulence and luxury. From pristine beaches to world-class shopping, we'll showcase the high life that Dubai offers. Cultural fusion. Dive into the rich cultural tapestry of Dubai, where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. We'll take you to vibrant souks and introduce you to the warm hospitality of the city. Whether you're planning a trip to Dubai, seeking inspiration for your next adventure, or simply curious about this incredible destination, our video provides a glimpse of what makes Dubai so captivating. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to join us on a visual exploration of the city of DR.